This property was a large water loss, but also this house was built in the 80s. And with 40-year-old houses, there's a lot of things that have to be brought up to standards, up to code. And one of the things that this homeowner had, which I would recommend, is code upgrades. Code upgrades allows the carrier to pay for things that aren't necessarily damaged, but need to be brought up to code. So in a water loss like this, that's electrical, plumbing, HVAC systems, structural issues. If you or anybody else you know has a flood, fire, mold, any of that kind of stuff, we're here to help. And we treat you just like we would treat our own properties. So give us a call, Mannle Construction.